Hi everyone and welcome. This is Lisa. Please excuse my voice. I'm just getting over a bad bout of bronchitis. So today we're going to be talking about the Sincerely Santa gift tag project kit. This kit is a lot of fun. It is in our Holiday 2018 catalog and it comes with the makings for these adorable 5 tags. Now, these look really sophisticated and complicated, but I can assure you that they are not. Okay, here they are in the catalog, and the only thing that is separate that you need to buy separate is the stamp set. If you have cherry cobbler and garden green ink, snail adhesive, and scissors, you are totally set. Oh, and dimensionals as well. If you don't have those, you'll need to purchase those. However, this is a good kit to get together with friends. You could order the thing with 6 friends and get everything you need and also get the hostess benefits. So I'm showing you the tags close up. I put a little Wink of Stella on that one. You do not have to make these exactly as they are as directed. You can do whatever you want and get completely creative. Now this one I messed up on. I stamped it upside down. It's supposed to go like that, but I was going along and I just didn't pay attention. So I could have flipped the front part over and stamped on the back, but I decided to go ahead and just leave it the way it was. Who's gonna know, right? You, me, and the rest of the people watching the video. And this is my favorite one, not just because of the jingle bells, but take a look at these adorable intricate snowflakes. Okay, so here are the directions that come with the kit. They're really pretty good instructions. You can see the tags very well, and it also shows the order that you need to put the tag together. And I'm going to zoom up a little so that you can see it better. Sorry that my mat is crooked. I hope that doesn't drive you nuts. So this is a Sincerely Santa stamp set. I have cherry cobbler and garden green ink, snail adhesive. I have some dimensionals, and of course you need some scissors. Now this is the tag that we're going to make today. So let me get out everything that we're going to use. Like I said before, this is not a difficult project to do at all. It would be fun to do with kids even. So Stampin' Up! Gives you extra stuff. You can actually end up making 6 tags, or if you goof, you still have extra. So you wouldn't believe the extra that comes with this stuff. So it's awesome. Stampin' Up! Is very generous that way. Okay, so we're going to stamp the to and from tag. And I'm doing this in cherry cobbler. And as you can see, there's 5 other tags there, and I've already made all of the tags. So even though I've made the tags, I still have 5 extra tags. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so we have our doily, and we need to cut it down just a little bit across the bottom. Now you don't have to do this. Like I said, you can be just as creative as you want. And if you don't want this stamp set, you could also use whatever stamp set you may have that would work with these tags. So I'm just trimming around the edge, which is not necessary because the ribbon would cover it, but I'm just fussy that way a little. So if you're fussy like me, you may want to cut it around. If you're not fussy, then just leave it. Now I'm going to adhere this with some snail adhesive. As you can see, it fits perfectly now. And I'm going to add that down at the bottom first. Just making sure that I have that straight along the bottom. Now I'm going to put a strip of snail down. And then I'm going to add my piece of ribbon. And the instructions tell you how long to cut the ribbon. And I believe this is 2 1/4 inch here. So I'm going to put that across that. And the instructions tell you to pop up the to and from tag on dimensionals, but I didn't do that because I don't know who I'm giving this to yet. So I'm going to leave this part flat so that it's easier for me to write on later. But again, do as you please. Okay, now I'm going to take the stars. See how many stars there are left? You can just keep going with this. It's amazing. So I'm going to add my star to the top of the tree. And now I'm going to flip it over and put 3 dimensionals on the back. Just like so. And we're going to add that to our tag. And we are nearly finished. We just pop that right over the top, kind of lining the tip of the star up with the hole. And that part is all done. Now the instructions will tell you that you need 12 inches of string. You probably don't need 12 inches of string, but I've gone ahead and cut that at 12 inches, but you can see how long it is. And then you just tie that in a knot, or you can just tie it to a bow or whatever it is you're going to do with your package. And I'm just cutting these with my snips that badly need to be sharpened. And I'm going to go ahead and flag the ends of the ribbon with my ribbon scissors. And I just like to say, if you live in the United States and don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to be yours. So if you're interested in any of these projects that I'm showing you this month, please let me know. I'd be happy to send you out a complimentary catalog. And as soon as we have this flag done, there we go. We're all finished. And see how nicely they fit in that tin. What a wonderful gift to give someone. Or it's very cool to be able to just store your tags in there for yourself. So you could decorate this any way you want and put a bow on the top of it, or you could put one of the tags on the top of it. The possibilities are pretty much unlimited. So I thank you for spending time with me today and listening to my very raspy voice. Hopefully it'll be better by the next video. So thanks again for joining me, and have a happy day and happy crafting.